Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Also some options on my channel now, so we've got some subscription, but you can see a little bit more content, more videos, more pictures just made especially for the subscription tier of this channel. So if you've got any more questions, do not hesitate to comment maybe down below, or under any other videos. If you've got any more questions about that, then hopefully you will come around and subscribe to that part of the channel.